everyone, and welcome to I Can Make That. I'm Jen, and I have been putting a lot of videos out there about Cricut and sometimes about card making, and then I haven't been on for a little while, and there's a reason for that. So I have recently gotten into woodworking, and I've converted my entire garage into a workshop, and I wanted to just show you a little bit about what I'm doing so that when I start posting wood videos, you'll understand where that's coming from. So first I'm just going to do a quick little tour of the shop. The last couple of months I've amassed quite a bit, and this is my workshop. Lots of wood over here. I've done some Lichtenberg burns, which I'll be talking about those. I've bought a lot of tools. I have the new Wen drum sander, which is something that just came on the market. Works pretty well. Table saw, planer, chop saw. We've got the router. I have a new plunge router coming, scroll saw, and jointer, so quite a bit of stuff. And what I'm basically doing is making cutting boards, all different kinds. These are some of the ones that are just drying up right now with a coating on them. I've been working with resin and exotic woods. So my Etsy site has a lot more of the wood stuff on it now, and I still have all of my teacher bulletin boards and everything as well. But my site, that's Thumbtacks and Paper on Etsy, does have quite a bit of wood that is available. Cutting boards. I also have the wood signs. I've been working on some different ones. This one over here, pretty cool, but you can't read it very well. It was actually a Lichtenberg burn that I went ahead and epoxied, and I put the vinyl on it that I made up. It was really cool, but hard to read, so I'm redoing white vinyl right now so that I can try to put that over the purple and see if that works. It might not work too well, but anyway, so that's pretty much what I've been up to. Just wanted to check in and let everyone know, and watch for videos coming soon. Thanks!